Okay, hello everybody. It just released now. Exactly now. Apparently I have completely misunderstood this. It starts at 6 o'clock in Sweden, this Advent of Code. So now I'm very early here. I cannot even open it. God damn it, reload the page. Probably broke the servers here. Or I didn't break it, but let's see if this works. Yeah, you see. God damn it. Now, here we are. Great. Yeah, we got the input also. And this works nice. You board your plane only to discover a new problem. You dropped your boarding pass. Yeah, classic. You aren't sure which seat is yours, and all of the flight attendants are busy with the flood of people that suddenly made it through the passport control. You write a quick program to use your phone's camera to scan all of the nearby boarding passes, your puzzle input. Perhaps you can find your seat through the process of elimination, instead of zones or groups. Okay, this is a YouTube link. Whatever. Am I supposed to watch this? No. I don't know why I really don't like animations like that. I don't know what it is, whatever. This airline uses binary space partitioning to seat people. A seat might be specified like blah blah blah, where F means front, B means back, L means left, and R means right. The first 7 characters will either be F or B. These specify exactly one of the 128 rows on the plane, numbered 0 through 127. Each letter tells you which half of a region. Okay, I get it. The given seat is in. Start with the whole list of row. The first letter indicates whether the seat is in the front row, 0 to 63, or back. Yeah, so it's a binary sort thing. Or back, the next letter indicates which half of that region, and so on. Okay. Until you're left with exactly one row. And then we split that on right, left, right. Or the last 3, I guess. So we have 8 columns and 128 rows. Yeah, this shouldn't be that difficult. You know, people have already solved this because this is very like common computer science stuff, this binary sort partitioning stuff. On the plane numbered 0 to 7, the same process as above. Yeah. So decoded revealed that it is the seat at row 45, column 5. And then we do something with that. Multiply the row by 8 and add the column. Every seat also has a unique seat ID. Yeah, okay, row with 8 plus column. Okay, good, we fix this, we can do this. Let's get some example input here before we start our own. Let's just do this, or let's open a new one. Example. Paste that here. There. Paste that crap here again. Use example. echo n. Example, let's save the file. There, works good. Okay, so the last three are the columns. So what did we have now? Row is equal to 100, what was it? 128, and rows, or 128 rows, 8 columns. 128 rows, 8 columns. Rows, 128 calls 8. Okay, then I guess the first thing we do here is split this. We get this in one string and this in a different one. So row is equal to n colon, we can make a substring like -3 colon, I believe. Row, no. Maybe this. Yeah, there we have it. Ah, no, that takes just a 3, that the call, and then row is n colon 0 colon -3. And you see, I have to add a space here because colon dash have a special meaning in Bash, you know. So this is like a weird syntax thing you have to do here if you want to do a substring starting from a negative position. You don't have to do it for the second one because, but for the first one you have to make a space before you add a dash here or minus the negative indicator here. It's kind of weird, but it's not that often you do this, and whatever. Okay, we got call, we got row, and then I guess we loop this, or we parse this 6 times, right? 6, 7 characters. Let's do this. 4 C equals 0 in one way, since we know it is whatever. C is less than the number of characters in row, or let's do call first since it's shorter. C++, C++, do echo C done. Yeah, it just prints the number, good. We don't want the number, we instead want call. And here I'm sure we can do this whole substring thing here, maybe smarter, whatever, we just do it here now. Let's not overthink it. 0 there, that should give us no, not 0, 1. More coffee, more coffee. Okay, then we have right, left. So is right like, yeah, right is upper. case here. I don't know why we should do a case when it's just two. Yeah, whatever. Now we're doing that. Right upper. Do something there. Left lower. Okay. So we start at 8. Maybe whatever. Column is equal to 8. And if it's in the upper half, then column is equal to or we do a min-max thing here, right? Isn't that how you do this? Max 8, min 0. So if it's in the upper half, then we move min, right? Min is equal to, then I'm not sure if it's like 4 or if it's 5, but I guess 4, right? Yeah. Min is equal to do we take max divided by 2? Right now it works, but I'm not sure. I have actually never done this binary partition thing. I like seen some tutorial or something, but I never coded this. No, it's not. It's. So if we move this, let's say min is 2, then the upper half is, god damn it, brain. Yeah, you know, it's like the number guessing game, and we always get wrong. Like, no, it's higher, it's lower, it's higher, it's lower. It's that thing, you know. So it is in the upper row. The upper row is max minus min divided by 2. I think that is how we should do it. Like this. If it's L, because then min will become 4. Let's just do this. I wonder if it's the same thing here. I'm not sure. Max min colon m colon or max. I have to do it. I am a bit tired now, but I actually woke up quite early. I have a wisdom tooth that wakes me up, so to say. So I actually woke up at like 3:30 tonight. So I've been up, but I'm still tired. I don't sleep well. What do you get? Syntax error. 21. Yeah, it can be. Yeah, we need Isaac. Isaac, my brother. And min max. And we're also supposed to get the result here. It's like I got it in my head when I read the puzzle. It was like I instantly knew how to do it, you know. Well, let's see. We got the first one. Right. Yeah, that's right, because then it's never. Then max should be 8 every time. So min the first time, min will be 4. Then we get right again. And then we have 8 minus 4 divided by 2. Min plus equals, it needs to be here, right? There. So 7. Yeah, 7 is the right. 7, 7, 4. So it's min is our seat, question mark, every time, whatever. Let's just assume it is that. I'm not sure. Yeah, whatever. So min is our seat in the column. But if we instead send the row just set the max to 128 and see what we get now. Whoa. Also we need to change this. I think we should do this also. Okay, back, front. What does that really mean? Is that back is upper, maybe? Min 226, okay, maybe it's the other way around. Front, because as I see it, like when you book a plane ticket, when you get a seat close to the cockpit, it's like low seat numbers as I remember it, so that was my reasoning there. Yeah, but it seems like both of these are just wrong. Okay, then let's just parse this here in our Braino. Should also look here. Maybe we got this also here good, maybe. No. We are doing 3 here. That's the problem. So what we're doing is 7. Oh. No, that's not the problem, but it was just me. Yeah, I think, no, it's not that one. Give me that one. Example. Okay, F means lower half. Yeah, it was the lower half, we were right. B, F. Maybe it's max minus here, I don't know. Yeah, now we're getting something here, right? This looks good. And then min is correct again here, isn't it? Final row min 44. 70, 1400. Yeah, we got it. Perfect. So then we just have to do these for let's just do this. No. Wait. Row num is equal to min. I'm just doing this now. I hate myself a bit for doing this, but whatever. Call 8. It's okay to do this. We will probably need to tidy this up for the second part here. I just wanted to get forward in the puzzle. And how was it now? Echo. No, we do that here. Row times 8 plus col. Row num times 8 plus col num. Five 67, 119, 820. Okay. And what is the highest on a boarding pass? Okay, so then we also test that. Highest is equal to this is we can do it here. ID is equal to this here. If ID is more than highest, ID else highest. Right. We do input 850. Gold star. Ding! The fasten seatbelt sign have turned on. Time to find your seat. It's completely full flight, so your seat should be the only missing boarding pass in your list. However, there's a catch. Some of the seats at the very front and back of the plane don't exist on this aircraft. So they'd be missing from your list as well. Your seat wasn't at the very front or back though. The seats with IDs +1 and -1 from yours. What? The seats with IDs +1 and -1 from yours will be in your list. What is the ID of your seat? Seats with... Okay, so the seats that have ID 849 and 851 I don't really get it. What is the ID of your seat? Isn't that what we got here? 850. I don't really... I really don't get this puzzle here. It's completely full flight, so your seat should be the only missing boarding pass in your list. Okay, so there is a boarding pass missing. This was just the highest. This wasn't our ID. Yeah, it was just a question here. It didn't look through your list of boarding pass was the highest. Okay. So this has nothing to do with our ID. We don't know that. Our ID is the ID missing. There's a catch. Some of the seats at the very front and back of the plane don't exist on this aircraft. So they'll be missing from your list as well. Your seat wasn't at the very front or back though. The seats, okay. Yeah, so we should just see a gap in the list then, I guess. Is it that easy? Just a confusing explanation maybe. Sometimes I guess that could happen as well. So what we do is we create a little array here. Seats is equal to or plus equals ID, and then we just print those IDs here. For seat in seats at do echo seat done. There is it. No. I thought it would print it sorted for us, since we store these as... No, we have to store them as keys. That's right. This is equal to 0. There. Okay. And then there is a gap in this list. If that's the whole thing here, that's weird. Lots of... (666). Okay, so I guess we just... Yes, we can... It's easiest if we just do it here. alarm there. Time to get up to be on time for Advent of Code. Idiot. Okay, 30 minutes. That's good. I thought it felt like this has been longer. And now we got the looping it in sorting order. So then we can just test if the seat we are looking at, if that is not equal to the previous seat plus 1, then we have found a gap, right? Let's do that. If seat is equal to seat minus 1 or echo seat. See what you get. Now, if this seat is 1 more than the last seat, so yeah, okay, we do a last seat here. So last seat is equal to seat last seat. Okay, 11 and 600. $5.99 is missing. I don't know. This was a weird one. If this is correct, yeah, okay. This was just too weird. I don't want to fix it either. I actually saw this was quite fast in my opinion.